Dear Diary, I love my life, seriously. Never have I thought to live in this beautiful life surrounded with amazing people around. Meeting wonderful people, becoming a mom of 4 pretty cats is just a blessing. I feel blessed to have read excellent self-help books which have greatly assisted my perception of the world. I feel young and hope to continue to feel these ways as the years stack up. My idea of a good weekend is one filled with expedition into the wilderness, reading great books, eating great food with friends and family, and watching films from my childhood. I am also proud that I finally learned how to make up. Confidence comes from makeup for girls. Every accomplishment has led you to where you are today, and that's more than enough to be proud of. When you are proud of yourself, it means that you take into consideration everything you've accomplished until this point, both the small and big accomplishments. Do you find success in chasing your dreams? Is money your genuine desire? Or does helping other people give you the biggest reward? I wonder how many hairs in one eyebrows. Do we have a right for happiness, or should we earn it? Does beauty exist? A lot of people think that you can only be proud of yourself when you've accomplished success, but everyone has different definitions of success. Being proud of yourself is not contingent upon achieving some external standard of success. Rather, it is an internal state that arises when you feel good about who you are and what you have done. All this thought just makes me realize how grateful I am to my life. I finally have everything I have ever wanted. I'm young, healthy, gorgeous. Everyone loves me. I'm just gonna put the negativity outside of me. Never I intend to repeat the past. Lesson learned. Now it's just me facing the reality of life. The best of all, I have a wonderful lifestyle.